Hello guys, the Kid Fam here. Today I'm just gonna make a short video. Build a Squid Game, brain rot infection. Every jump you get 1+ height. Build a plane. Now that sounds fun. Let's play. Okay, load in then, guys. Guys or gals. Okay, I have $100, so let's buy a block, a wing, a fuel can, a propeller. How much money do I have? Not enough. Okay, fine. Okay, exit. Okay, propeller. Put one there and put an extra wing right there. Now here's my perfect plane. Whoa! Who just hit me? Who just hit me? I'm going down. I'm going down fast. Pull up! Pull up! Dang it! Go! 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 I think I might make it. Dang it. Okay. Okay. Since I have a lot of money. Ooh, I can get a different propeller. Okay. Let's buy a fuel can. Okay, let's launch this baby. I don't think I'm doing a good job. Whoa, who keeps trying to hit me? Farthest distance with that. Okay, people stop hitting me. Actually, okay, I'm still going. This is harder than I ever played. Ooh, hot everything. Ooh, medieval. Stay away! Ooh, I made it. Dang. I have to go through medieval land again. Really. Okay. Going down fast. I'm gonna have to dodge all these. I'm gonna have to maneuver with cannibal shoot. Okay. And soft landing, soft landing. And boom! I died. Okay, how much money did I get? $269. That's actually not that bad. Let's get this. That's $100. That's not worth it. Okay, get that. Get 13 more blocks. Okay. Propeller. Okay, I don't have enough money. Okay. So first of all, let's add a water block there. Put my seat there. Put a wing right here. Right here. Put a propeller on the front. Okay. And let's add in some books. not mean to put that there. Oh well. Can you make your plane so I can see if my missiles work? You know what? Sure. Must be nice. Okay, that sounds like a deal. What? Oh well, at least I won't be on there. Whoa! I'm just gonna leave that going. Mine's too fast. What? Oh, I can delete. Okay. Let's delete this. Delete. What is he saying? Let's launch this. Whoa, I'm going turbo fast. Oh my, what's this? I don't know, but at least I'm going quicker. I'll probably need more fuel since this is draining my plane pretty quick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just stay in the middle, and we're good. Whoa, we're going down, going down. Oh no. Help me! Ah! Oh, lost some wings. Good thing I still have 2 more wings. That's where I was last. And I just beat it! Let's go. So do not add C. Okay. Let's add. Did you get? I'm going to tell him now. Sounds like that. Okay, we got all of our stuff. Let's add some stuff. Our fuel can, a wing right there, add another wing right there, propeller right there and right there, and an under fuel can right on top of this one. Okay, I think I'm ready. Launch. Whoa, I'm going to ready. Oh, I go fast. I'm going fast with a lot of fuel. Oh! Bye-bye. Okay, anything better? Relax. ASMR. Rocket booster. Missile! It's a missile! Okay. Going fast, too fast. Going too fast. Maybe cannonballs can catch me. Whoa! Maybe too fast. Well, stay away. Bro, I just glaze all over. Well, I just went farther than last time. Okay, good thing I still have wings to control my land. Okay. Just basic maneuvers. Almost at the water. So go farther, farther, farther! Okay, there we go. I still have my fuel camera? How did I know that? Silly me. Silly, silly, silly. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Bye, Bob Splits. Why is his name Bob? Huh? 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 You better be restocked soon. What is that thing? I'm actually curious now. What is this? That's a lot of fuel cans. Okay, I know you're restocked. Okay. Only one wing. Gotta be kidding me. Okay. No better wing? Let's buy everything they have. Except for the seats. Propeller. Fuel cans. Ooh, one wing. Okay, all the blacks. Let's do this, and then this, and then make like a little branch. Better fuel right here. 2 more fuel cans. Put a wing on top. Got an under propeller. Where should I add this one? Ooh, I know. Okay, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too fast, too fast, too fast. I'm naming my queen, baby. Meow, meow, meow. Ah, too fast for you. Oh, too fast. At least I think so. Still at the same time, so I should be good. I think I'm gonna get one. Should. Actually, don't crash. I think I might make it to that. Yeah, I see my bus right there. Well, that was actually pretty far. Okay, I got $918. Okay, let's do this. This time I'm gonna crash on purpose. Wait, I exploded. Well, let's go crash into the dumbest thing ever. The wall! Now let's go crash into someone else. Let's find someone else, shall we? Oops! I crashed into the wall again. I actually wonder, can I go backwards? Come in my plane. Bet. Where is he? Where's his plane? Where's his plane? Tell me, where is it? Where's your plane? Where's your seats? Oh, right here. I guess he's driving us. Whoop, whoop. How? Actually, how? How is he still standing? I'm still standing. After all this time, like a true survivor, even like a little kid. No, I'm sitting. Hey, I can walk! I think I'll do a good job. Put the place my block. No thanks. We're kinda stranded. Launch. Whee. Turn. Go back. No! Oh, I bet that scared him. Ooh. Okay, what do we have here? Let's get two of those. Any better ones? Nope. Get some of those. Get two of those. Get 10 of those. Those are just kidding. Seat right here and see if it'll work. Not sitting it down and watch. Yes! We're working like this. Oh no. Going too fast. Luckily, no. Luckily, pretty good opposite. Why did I just use the word altitude? Am I some kind of science here? No, I'm not. Actually, you are, cause you said, what the Sigma yesterday? Shut up! Just kidding, it was just me. How come I'm going so slow? Go faster, woo! I'm going too fast. Slow down. Take it slowly. Heck yeah, I made it through. So I'm probably gonna pass. Uh-oh, going down. I'm gonna be able to do this. Yay. I'm still going fast. Let's go. Altitude. Meow. I wonder if it just keeps restarting you until you die. I don't know. Oh well. Okay, $1,280. Nice. Well, I think I will be right back. Well, my avatar gets to spin. Dang it, I can't do it. Oh well. I will be right back. Okay, guys, I am BACK back. Okay, so let's get this back on the road, shall we? Okay, that sounds good. Okay, let me just press launch and crash! Whew, feel much better. After I got something to eat. I'll tell you what I have to eat. You should try some lunch, Lee. Please. For me. Okay. Let's grab some more stuff. Ooh, better fuel. Better wing. This is what I've been waiting for. Best fuel? Oh, come on. I'm already down to that much. Fine, I'll watch. Let's do this. Too fast, too fast, too fast. Okay. Ew, Bundy. Hey, hot air balloon. Do you want to hear some ASMR? Okay. Okay, speed up a little bit. Because some of these people don't know how to slow down. But just let it go down by itself. Ah! Lots of wings! Lots of wings! Okay, this way and faster! Go, go, go! Hopefully I still get to get a good altitude. Hopefully I make it to my record. I really want the best speed. Uh-oh, going down, going down, going down. Yes, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Yes, yes, yes! The trick is to get all of the wings and fuel and all that as much as you can. Ooh, yes. Yes, man. Please tell me I still have enough. Okay, let's launch again. Let's do this. Used to not to get $1. Actually, I can launch this right over the fence. I bet no one has solved this before. Hee. Slow down a little bit. Just let it go down by itself. Oh yeah, I might get a doggy. I hope I do. Go faster, then slow down, go faster. Okay, go as fast as you can. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Gonna make it. I have this gut feeling that I'm gonna make it. I have this gut feeling that I'm gonna die. Just kidding. Just a little bit, just keep it. Going down, going down. Please, 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 please. Dang it. Okay, now I have enough money to get what I was hoping for. A better propeller. Or should I get the blue? No, that was I think this is more worth it. Propeller. Add the propellers. Even though I might run out of fuel faster, which I think I'll run out slower. Key, add under propeller. Add 3 wings. So 1, 2, and then 3. Fuel cans will go right here. Better wing, 2 of them have to go right here and right here. There we go. And then let's add my best fuel. My better propeller. Let's get some better fuel up in here. Okay, let's launch. You're welcome. How did I already get through that? Actually running out of fuel real quick. Holy crap. Maybe I can get the $1,000 that I wanted or something. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. I'm not here for the races. Just here to have fun. And make videos for you guys for my epic content. I hope you guys watch this until the end. Please do. Michael, just be famous with it. Is that much to ask for? I'm hoping I at least get it. Play button. Get all that way down. Slow down. Oh crap. Oh crap. No, no, yes, no, yes, yes. I can't believe I made it through. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dang it. Whew. Oh, I definitely got enough. Now, please tell me you still have it. Really? 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 Oh well. At least I still got some more stuff. Yay! Get some more fuel. Get 1 more wing. And then we got it. Okay, so better fuel will go right here. A propeller. Another one right here. Black chair. And then let's add an underwing right here. Okay, let's launch, guys. Here we go. Oh, too fast, too fast, too fast. Now I'm running out of fuel. Did I just crash? I wonder what happened. Come on, I'm right here to test that out. Slow down. almost lost my best my best wings. But hey, I'm still here for the grind. I earned things. There we go. Now just let it run. Just go as fast as I can, so I make it. Okay, gonna make it. Gonna make it. Gotta make it. Yes, 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 yes! Well, where are those? What are those? Got this. Got this. Okay, crashed. How much money did I earn? I was at 1,600, and now I am at 2,493. That's actually pretty good. I'm not complaining. Do they have anything good? Rocket booster, missile, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's get this. Get all these seats. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, that's it. Holy. Go, row your boat, row, row garden, row, do, and do, 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 Might make it. I'm gonna make it. Oh, we're here. Whoa, lost 2 wings there. Going down, boss. Going down. Okay, I have this money. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or else someone will be in your bed tonight. I'm just joking. Don't forget to join the Kid Fam group. I hope you guys have a great day.